Good morning students. My name is Manpreet Singh and I am going to teach you about the topic fraction. What is fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole. For example, you bought a chocolate from the market and your sister asked you for its part. So you divide this chocolate into two equal parts. The one of part will be taken by you and the other part you will give to your sister. In how many parts you have divided it? You have divided it into two parts. And how many parts you have taken? You have taken one part and other part you have given to your sister. So the fraction of chocolate will be given by 1 by 2. Now I will tell you about like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. Those fractions are known as like fractions. For example, we see in this diagram there are 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. How many boxes are colored? How many boxes are colored, beta? Only one box is colored. So its fraction will become 1 upon 5. And in second rectangle you will see that how many boxes are colored? 3 boxes are colored. 1, 2 and 3 are colored out of 5. So the fraction will become 3 upon 5. And in next rectangle, how many boxes are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are colored out of 5. So these all fractions have same denominator. The denominator of first fraction is 5, second fraction is 5 and third fraction is 5. So these fractions are known as like fractions because they have same denominator 5. Now what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominator. Those fractions are called unlike fractions. Now look on this rectangle. How many boxes are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many boxes are shaded? 3 boxes are shaded out of 5. So the fraction will be 3 by 5. In next rectangle, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many boxes are there? 6. And how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are shaded out of 6. Now how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 total boxes. How many boxes are shaded? 1 and 2. The fraction is 2 by 5 because 2 boxes are shaded out of 5. Now we will look which one is unlike fraction and which one is like fraction. Look in this fraction. One fraction is 3 by 5 and second fraction is 2 by 5. The denominator of both fraction is 5. So both fractions are like fractions. And in other two fractions, the denominator of first fraction is 5 and denominator of other fraction is 6. So they have different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. The fractions which have different denominator are called unlike fractions. So 3 by 5 and 5 by 6 are unlike fractions. And 3 by 5, 2 by 5 are like fractions. Now we will find out like and unlike fractions from these diagrams. First of all, we will see the fraction of these diagrams. How many parts are shaded of this circle? Only one part is shaded out of 4. So the fraction is 1 by 4. And in this square, how many squares are shaded? 5 squares are shaded out of 9. So the fraction is 5 by 9. And in these triangles, how many triangles are shaded? 3 triangles are shaded out of 4. Now we will see like and unlike fractions. So you will notice that the denominator of first diagram and last diagram is 4. So they have both same denominator. That's why these are like fractions. So 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 are like fractions. In these two diagrams, you will see the fraction is 1 by 4 and 5 by 9. The denominator of both fractions is 4 and 9. The denominator is different. That's why they are unlike fractions. All about fractions. Thank you. Thank you very much.
जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Prabsimran Kaur. I am studying in class 5th. My school name is Sakal Academy Sulpur. I am going to perform an activity on fraction. First of all, we will take 5 circles. Take first circle and now cut into 2 equal parts using scissors. We have cut one circle into 2 halves, so the fraction of cut part is 1 by 2. Take next circle and cut it into 4 equal parts. We have cut one circle into 4 parts, so the fraction of cut part is 1 by 4. We will take next circle and divide it into 6 equal parts. Now you will see that fraction of each part is 1 by 6. We will take next circle and divide it into 8 equal parts. Now you will see that fraction of each part is 1 by 8. Thank you. Have a nice day. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.